Harmony performed for the last time as a fivesome on New Year's Eve. We have just one word for this: awkward. All 5 ladies of Fifth Harmony helped ring in the new year on Dick Clark's annual New Year's Rockin' Eve 2017 show. Dinah, Allie, Normani, Lauren, and Camila performed a medley of their hits, including Work From Home, That's My Girl, and Worth It. Take a look. I know what you're thinking. Did the girls get back together? Not quite. Fifth Harmony's performances were pre-recorded in November, weeks before Camila announced her departure on December 19th. But if the girls knew about Camila's departure before the announcement, it doesn't show in this final medley. The ladies looked as in sync as ever and killed it as a fivesome on stage. In the performance, you may have noticed Brooke looked a little different than usual. The singer donned a short black wig for the New Year's Eve performance, and today we've got more news of Allie standing out. LA songwriter Phil Bentley posted a photo on Instagram alongside Allie in the recording studio and captioned it, "First session of 2017 with the amazing Allie Brooks of Fifth Harmony." Sounds like we've got more solo 5H music to look forward to very soon. So what do you guys think of Fifth Harmony's final performance together with all 5 original members? Do you think airing the performance after Camila's exit was a little awkward? Tell us below, and then check out a new episode of That Got Weird, where things got not only very weird, but also very wet. I'm your host, Drew Dorsey. Thanks so much for watching.